Hello to you. My name is Jesse Johnson. This is part one of Interior and Exterior Design and Decoration, House Floor Plans, along with 47 Basics. There are two types of decorations and designs, interior and exterior. Interior home decoration and design is everything within the inner surfaces of the house. Floor, ceiling, four walls, or if circular, then one circular wall of the house. Houses exist in all cultures, of course. This includes igloos, teepees, tents, caves, huts, large cardboard boxes, gigantic tanks, your car, the roof of a house, attic, and any part of a building of any different culture. Anything that acts as a shelter of personal living space that houses you and or others, which is what a house means. No form of house in any culture is superior to another. They are all made for their geographies and conditions. I looked for all the different rooms from 1700 to today. For their many purposes, I came up with 41 specific purpose rooms. There may be a few more, plus two augmentary areas, skylights, interior waterfalls. Then I looked for all the different things humans have and use external to the house walls, which are about 43 different things outside the house, making up the front, back, left side, and right side yards. In Western cultures, a house can be in different forms: condominiums, apartments, studios, cottages, warehouses used for such, etc. Rooms can be of two different types, walled or not walled, where it's identifiable by the furniture or items in a particular space area. A house is any physical personal dwelling structure to shelter persons or person. A home, on the other hand, is not a physical structure, but a feeling of belonging. Houses can have any one of over 3 million or more house plans of architectural designs, which can include one room to 41 plus rooms. Each room with a different purpose. First, let's look at a single house floor plan as we go along. This includes all 41, as far as I can tell, types of interior rooms and augments, along with exterior design of about 43 different specific purposes elements that humans use external to the house walls, which including designing the exterior house walls themselves, painting it different colors, different types of sidings, etc. Because the total interior and exterior of every house is designed and decorated in their own ways. The interior and exterior is composed of almost, as far as I can tell, every interior and exterior element from mansions, palaces, apartments, single to multiple dwelling houses, and so on, composed into one simple house floor plan. I will show this in a little while now. Hold on. Now, I want to go to A, which are a few main rules of interior and exterior design and decor. A, order. There must be fine order in any house. B, spotless cleanliness. C, the time frame and era for all the furnitures and all the other items in the house, as well as the time frame and era of all outside items and elements. Let's go to D, simplicity. Always make it simple as you can, with lots of extra space for mobility. We'll go to E. All things in the house must have a purpose and function. We'll go to F now. If you don't have big money, you still can decorate and design with what you have. G. Colors. Make them rich, deep, as well as bright. We'll go to H. Make your house design and decoration fit your money size. Do not try to keep up with the Joneses. Now, we'll go ahead and we'll show the floor plan, and I will explain it. Hold on, please. I'm going to move the camera. Now, let's continue. Now, first off, the list of interior and exterior elements. This is a list of each interior room, and next will be a list of each exterior home element. And after that will be a very simplified drawing of all of these elements put into a single unit floor plan. And we'll start with house rooms. That's the interior, decoration, and design. There are 41 rooms and 2 augment, which is waterfall and skylight. As you can see, 1 through 43. Living room, bedroom, foyer, utility room, dining, bonus room, main garage, bath, closets such as linen, recreation, pantry, breakfast, study, storage. 15 is basement, 16 is fireplaces and stairs, 17 sunroom, 18 is the mud room, 19 is the pocket office, attic, niche room, 22 is the loft, 24 is the studio, cellar, library, secret room, drawing, morning room, scullery, vestibule, hallway, salon, entrances and exits, kitchen, tool storage. This is the interior tool storage room, hospital room, rare collections room, atrium, alpha plan, which is a storage room for future needs, and interior pool, spas, and such matters, which is also an interior, which is also a augmentary, even though I didn't put it there for this. But nonetheless, let's go ahead to house exterior decor and design, where you have a total of 45. We'll start with the porch, patio, garden, arbor. That's an entrance on the outside, an arbor, gazebo, a pool, a pond, fountain, deck, screen porch, animal dwellings, such as if you want to keep dogs, giraffes, whatever, I don't know, horses and everything else, animal dwellings part, guest house, scenery. Scenery is an augment, a veranda, outdoor living room, a greenhouse, a garden shed, a barn, walkways, bridges, fences, a panache, driveway, a tool shed. This is an exterior tool shed. 25, there are creeks and streams if you have them on your property. That's an augment. Front porch, balcony, loft, roof, garden, attic, roof garden, first floor, roof garden, a portico. I didn't put the R there, but this is P-O-R-T-I-C-O. This is a portico. Number 31 is security gates. Number 32 is tables, chairs, sun umbrella, eating area. 30, that's an augmentary. Augmentary is a 31 is augmentary. Not all houses have security gates, but nonetheless, let's go to 33. Small carnival in a fair area. Number 34 is an optional garage. Cottage is 35. 36 is statues and benches. Now let's continue with exterior decor and design. 37.5 is a car wash area. 38 is an augmentary waterfall. 30, if it's not natural, that is, it's created. 39 is a museum, delivery area, a boathouse, and as well as other recreational vehicles house, a guest parking. 1820 is windmill. 44, a vineyard where grapes are grown and stuff like that. And number 45, a terrace. This is exterior and interior decoration. Now, this is what a single dwelling place looks like with all of the elements put together into one. As you can see, number one over for the exterior, you have all of these. You can stop your video at any point and match these with the list I just gave you. Number 2 is the bedroom. I'll read off a few of these. Hold on. Interior. Here is the living room, number 1. The bedroom, number 2. You have 2 bedrooms here, one here and one there. You have a foyer, which is number 3 here. Your utility room, which is number 4. Number 4 is, let me find number 4. Oh my, number 4 is here. This is the utility room. And you have all of these different rooms within the yellow square. Within the yellow square is all interior rooms with 41 different purpose rooms. And you start here with number 1 for the exterior, as well as the walls themselves of the house, which are painted or different sidings and so forth. Number 1 right here is a porch. The patio is number 2. Number 2 here is on the outside. Remember that. Number 2 here is on the inside. Number 2 here is on the exterior. This is interior, bedroom. This here is exterior, number 2, a patio. 45 and so forth is the terrace. 45 is a terrace and so forth. The outside have the same numbers, but they're on the exterior. And this is how you design and decorate your exterior around the house. This is interior decorating, all interior within the yellow line, within the yellow square line. And, hold on please. And to continue, this here is a top view, This here, on the other hand, is a side view. This is the first floor. This is the second floor, and this is the third. This is the attic. This here is the loft, and this here is the first floor. This here is the basement, number 15. The secret room, number 27. The cellar, number 25. The front porch, number 26. This is a, what did he call it? A Roman, what did they call it again? It's called a portico, right here, number 30. And a balcony right here, 27.5, and so forth. You can stop your video at any point with the list of matters, with the list, and match that list with the drawings here, which shows what the house would look like from the side as well as from the top view. I want to thank and I want you to please subscribe first off, share this video, and for all of my videos, write Jesse Johnson into the YouTube, and we'll see each other at part 2 of the 47 basics. Have a healthy day.